Hello my YouTube family. As you know, in last video, me talk about the disadvantage of snoring. Hope you see the video. So in this video, we will talk about the solution of snoring. Do you snore at night? Or does someone in your family keep you awake with loud snoring? Snoring may seem harmless, but in reality, it can be a sign of serious health problems like sleep apnea, heart disease, and low oxygen levels. In this video, we will explore the causes of snoring, simple home remedies you can try today, and the medical treatments available if the problem is severe. Stay tuned till the end for expert tips to sleep better and breathe easier. Causes of snoring: nasal blockage, cold, sinus infection, or nasal allergies; throat muscle relaxation, sleeping on your back, or drinking alcohol before bed; overweight, extra fat around the neck narrows the airway; smoking, irritates and swells the airway; sleep apnea, a serious condition where breathing stops temporarily during sleep. Home remedies for snoring: sleep position change. Sleep on your side instead of your back to prevent the tongue from blocking the airway. Use a body pillow to keep this position all night. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even 10% of your body weight can reduce snoring. Focus on a diet rich in vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol relaxes throat muscles, making snoring worse. Avoid drinking at least 3 hours before sleeping. 4. Quit smoking. Smoking inflames the airway, causing vibrations and snoring. Seek nicotine replacement or support groups. Keep nasal passages clear. Use saline nasal spray before bed. Inhale steam for 5 to 10 minutes to open airways. Stay hydrated. Dry throat tissues vibrate more. Drink enough water during the day. Use a humidifier. Moist air reduces throat and nasal irritation. Add essential oils like eucalyptus for better airflow. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time improves sleep quality and reduces snoring. Medical solutions for snoring. CPAP machine stands for continuous positive airway pressure. Keeps airways open during sleep, especially for sleep apnea patients. Dental mouthpieces, oral appliances, custom devices made by dentists to keep the jaw forward and airway open. Surgery options. UPPP removes excess tissue in the throat. Nasal surgery for correcting deviated septum. Lifestyle plus medical combination. Weight loss, healthy diet, and medical devices together give the best results. Remember, snoring is not just a noise problem. It can be a sign of a serious health condition. Start with home remedies like changing your sleeping position, losing weight, and keeping your nasal passages clear. If snoring continues or gets worse, visit a sleep specialist for proper diagnosis and treatment. A good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for your health.